everybody, Karen here, and today I'm making a gift card holder in the shape of a Nintendo Switch. Now this is the third piece in the game console set I got from Global Land. Now if you'll remember, I made a tag out of the controller, and I had a card out of the one that was a Game Boy. So this is the third piece, so obviously all of these could be toppers on the front of cards, but this was the exact size for a gift card. So I thought that's what we should do. So let me put these to the side. Alright, so let's go over the pieces that we need. These are the pieces here that make up the switch. So for this piece here, which is the main body, you're going to want 2 of these. Then you're going to want a piece of acetate that is slightly bigger than this square here. And I have that here, marked with my painter's tape. Then the biggest circles that were in a die that was 2 together, you're going to want those. And then there are 3 sets of circles in this die set that are 3 different sizes, and you're going to want 1 set of each. You're going to use 2 of the biggest ones. I have them right here. Then you're going to use 4 of the next size down and 2 of the littlest ones. You're going to need the smaller cross or X. You're going to need some red liner tape and some very tiny little foam pads. Alright, so let's put this to the side and let's get started. Alright, so first let's talk about the main die here. So you're going to want 2. One we're not doing anything with. It's going to be the back of the gift card holder. The second one, I'm going to take this plain rectangle and I'm going to put it in the middle. And I'm going to tape it down. That looks about right. I tape it down in 2 places because I want to make sure that does not move. And I'm going to run this through my machine. Alright, so now I have this here. This piece we don't need. I'll put this back on here. Alright, so now on the inside of this, I'm going to take some skinny red liner tape, and I'm going to start right where the curve is. Nope, I'm going to take that back. I'm going to start right here, just past the opening. And we're going to put some red liner tape all the way down. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to start just past the opening. Make sure you don't pull this too tight when you put it down, because if you do, your card can curl up on you. Put that on here. Now I know a lot of times I don't use this red liner tape, but with as skinny as that is, and I really don't want any glue to ooze out anywhere where I don't want it, so I'm just going to use the red liner tape this time. Alright, now I'm going to take my bone folder and just quickly go over this. It makes the backing a lot easier to take off. Alright, so let's peel this off. There's one. There's 2. And get the third one off. Now I'm going to take my acetate. And the only reason why I put the painter's tape on there is just so I don't lose it. And now I'm going to line this up. And lay that down. Alright, so now I'm going to take a piece, go down this way, this way. And so now we have to decide which side is going to be our opening. So I think I'll leave this side as the opening. So I'm going to run another piece down here. Okay, and once again, I will varnish this down. Pull that back a little bit. Doesn't want to stick. There we go. There's one. There's two. And this one across here. Now, this here will be our opening. So I need to seal this side. Alright, so we'll put some glue down here. And now I'm going to line up this edge first because this is going to grab really quick. So I just want to line this up here. I want to make sure those sides are nice and straight before I let the tape attach. And it's a little crooked. There we go. Now I have a little piece of acetate sticking out here. Alright, so now let's put the buttons on. Alright, so let's look at the first one I did here. So the first thing I want to construct are the little buttons. And these are the tiny little joysticks that are on here. So I'm just going to take my pokey tool and put one little foam square here and one on here. And these are just teeny tiny little foam squares. And I pull the paper off. So now I'm going to use the biggest circles that are in the 4 packs. So that's this one here. And we're just going to stick these on top. Like so. So there is our buttons. And one button will come down here. And one goes up here. That. And one over here. So now our little X, our cross, comes right here. In the middle. Just make sure that's straight. That looks good. And then I'm going to put the littlest circle down here on the bottom. Now in an actual switch, it's a square, but this set didn't come with a square. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these little circles on here because it's a square on one side and a circle on the other. So I'm just going to put 2 circles. If I can get this to flip over. There we go. Make sure those are kind of the same. Let me scoot this one over a little bit. we go. That looks good now. All right, so now we have these 4 dots here, which are the medium. Nope, I take that back. These are, these are the medium ones. So we'll put one here, one here, one here, and one here. Put one on the top, one on the bottom, one on this side, and one on that side. And that is all there is to it. And then once this is all dry, your gift card just slides right inside. Just like that. There we go, just like that. Quick and easy little gift card. So I hope you enjoyed this set, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, and until next time, stay crafty.